Last lecture, yesterday, we see connectives for two simple statements. Give compound statement first and or. It is this connective is conjunction and disjunction. We have given two simple statements. P first statement, Q second statement. Its conjunction is P and Q. Other P simple statement, Q simple statement, then compound statement, disjunction P or Q. Then today we have to see next connective negation. Negation, that is P is this statement 10 is an even number. 10 is an even number is a given simple statement. We know that the truth value of P is T. We know the truth value of the simple statement P is T. That is, this statement is true. What would be the corresponding statement having truth value F? That is, आता जर आपण निगेशन म्हणजे करस्पॉन्डिंग स्टेटमेंट करणार आहे. आता आपले दिलेलं स्टेटमेंट हे ट्रू आहे. इट इज ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू इज टी. वी हॅव टू put the corresponding statement having truth value F, that is false. It is 10 is not an even number. 10 is not an even number. It can also be written as 10. It is false that 10 is an even number. Both the statements are negations of P. They are denoted by negation P. The way of given simple statement P, the negation P, that is or not P, is the negation of the simple statement P. The truth table of this negation will be truth table for negation. First statement P, first column is P, second column negation P. We have to given simple statement, single simple statement, not a compound statement. P statement true, its negation not P is false. जर simple statement true असेल तर त्याचं negation false. Then we have to give one simple statement, its truth value is F. Then its negation is true. म्हणजे जर दिलेल्या simple statement ची truth value false असेल, तरी F असेल तर त्याचं निगेशन हे ट्रू असतं. म्हणजे ट्रू स्टेटमेंट आहे तर त्याचं निगेशन फॉल्स आणि फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट आहे त्याचं निगेशन ट्रू. इट इज सिंपल. ऑब्झर्व दॅट लाईक द कनेक्टिव्स and or. For example, write the negations of the following statements. For example, write the negations of the following statement. First statement, Sanjay is a good boy. Sanjay is a good boy is a simple statement. We have to write negation of this simple statement. We write Sanjay is not a good boy. It is simple statement we have given P. Sanjay is a good boy. Then its negation P is Sanjay is not a good boy. That is the negation of the given statement P. The second, 5 plus 6 is equal to 12. 5 plus 6 is equal to 12 and its negation is 5 plus 6 is not equal to 12. 5 plus 6 is not equal to 12. Next, number 3, 6 less than 7 is the simple statement P. Then we have to write negation of this simple statement is 6 greater than 7 or equal to 6 is greater than or equal to 7. Next example, China is a communist country. China is a communist country. Then its negation is China is not a communist country. China is not a communist country. Next, we have to see the exercise number 1.3. We have to see the exercise number 1.3. Write down. Write negation of the following statements. Write negation of the following statements. First statement, Rome is in Italy. Rome is in Italy. Write its negation. Write down. Rome is not in Italy. Rome is not in Italy. Next, second statement, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. We have to write negation of this P statement. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Negation of P is 5 plus 5 is not equal to 10. 5 plus 5 is not equal to 10. The negation of the given statement P is negation P. Number 3. 3 is greater than 4. 3 is greater than 4 is the given simple statement P. The negation P is 3 is not a greater than 4. 3 is not a greater than 4. Next, number 4. John is good in river rafting. John is good in river rafting is the given simple statement. Negation P. The negation P is John is not good rafting river rafting. John is not good river rafting. Next, number 5. Pi is an irrational number. P statement we have to give one. Pi is an irrational number. Negation of P is pi is a not irrational number. Pi is a not irrational number. Number 6. Statement P, that is simple statement. The square of a real number is positive. The square of a real number is positive. Negation P, the square of a real number is not positive. The square of a real number is a not positive. Number 7. Simple statement P, 0 is not a complex number. 0 is not a complex number. Then negation P, 0 is a complex number. 0 is a complex number. Number 8. Real part of the Z is less than or equal to modulus of Z. Real part of the complex number Z is less than or equal to modulus of Z, and its negation is negation of P. Real part of complex number Z is greater than modulus of Z. Is greater than modulus of Z. Example number 9. The sun sets in the east. The sun sets in the east. Then its negation. Negation of P is the sunset is not in east. Next, number 10. It is not true that the mangoes are expensive. Its negation P is it is true that the mangoes are expensive. Of this type, we have to solve this exercise number 1.3. Then we have to give one negation of the simple statements. Then next, connective number 4, conditional or it means implication, single arrow. Conditional or implication, single arrow. Definition, write down. Two simple statements may be combined by using the phrase if then. Using the phrase if then To form a compound statement, is not conditional statement or implication statement. Let P and Q be two simple statements. P and Q be two simple statements. Then the combined statements, if P then Q. You know the English grammar of this type. If P then Q is called the conditional or implication. Is called the conditional or implication. Denoted by P implication Q single arrow. P single arrow Q or P implication Q. It is read as P implies Q. It is read as P implies Q. In the conditional P implication Q, P is called the antecedent or hypothesis and Q is called constraint or conclusion. Let P, the seeds are shown in April. We are given first simple statement P. The seeds are sown in April. Q statement. The flowers blossom in June. Then this can be written as by conditional statement P implication Q. If the seeds are sown in April, then the flowers blossom in June. This is the conditional or implication statements. Thus, P implication Q. Thus, the P implication Q is defined to have the truth value false if P has truth value true and Q has truth value false. Means that P implication Q is false. Only first statement P is true and second statement Q is false. Then P implication Q is false. In other three cases, this compound statement, that is conditional statement, is true. In all the other cases, P implication Q defined by have the truth value true. This is expressed in the following truth table. This is expressed on the following truth table. First column P, second column Q, and third column P implication Q. That is P conditional statement Q implication. First P statement column we know T, T, F, F. Second column Q, T, F, T, F of the similar type of the conjunction and disjunction. In conjunction and disjunction we have P column T, T, F, F, Q column T, F, T, F. Right? Of this type we have to write the conditional statement of these columns 2 P and Q. P is T, T, F, F, Q is T, F, T, F. Then we know the first statement true, second statement true, then its implication is true. First statement true, second statement false, and its implication is false. Third, first statement false, second statement true, then its implication is true. And fourth, first statement false, second statement false. This type of two simple statements, then the conditional statement is true. So you know, only conditional statement is false if first statement is true and second statement is false. Then its conditional statement is or compound statement is false. In other three cases, this compound statement or conditional statement is true. For these solved examples, example number 1, transform the following statements in symbolic form. Transform the symbolic statements in symbolic form. First, if the sky is clear, then the sun is shining. In this statement, we see if then, that is, this compound statement is a conditional statement. This statement, compound statement, we see if then, therefore this compound statement is a conditional statement. We have to transfer this conditional compound statement in symbolic form. First, let P is the first simple statement of this compound statement. P, the sky is clear. The sky is clear is the first simple statement of the given compound statement or conditional statement. Q, second simple statement of the given conditional statement or compound statement is the sun is shining. We have given two simple statements P and Q. P is the sky is clear, Q is the sun is shining. Then we have to write this compound statement or simple statement in symbolic form, that is P implication Q. P implication Q is the symbolic form of mathematical logic. Its compound statement is if the sky is clear then the sun is shining. Of this compound statement or conditional statement we have to write in symbolic form, that is mathematical logical form, is P implication Q. Next, second statement, Lata is hard working only if she is successful in life. Lata is hard working only if she is successful in life. First simple statement of this conditional statement is Lata is hardworking. Q, Lata is successful in life. First simple statement of this conditional statement or this compound statement is P, Lata is hardworking. And second simple statement of this compound statement is Q, Lata is successful in life. Therefore, the given statement has symbolic form or logic form is P implication Q. Is P implication Q. Equivalent forms for the conditional statement. The equivalent form of the conditional statement or implication of the statement P implication Q is first, P is sufficient for Q. This can be written as P implication Q. इक्विवलेंट फॉर्म आहेत कशाचे कंडिशनल स्टेटमेंटचे कुठले P is sufficient for Q, that is P implication Q. We have right of this word P is sufficient for Q is we know if and only if then, that is P implication Q conditional statement. Q is necessary for P of the equivalent for conditional statement. P implies Q, P implication Q we have right. P only if Q, P implication Q. Q follows P, P implication Q. Of this, the equivalent forms of the conditional statement P implication